In Dittofi, apps are organized into workspaces. Workspaces are private by default. This means that except for you, no one can see the apps inside of your workspace. Workspaces can be shared by clicking the Share button, entering the email address of the person that you want to share the workspace with, choosing an access level for the user, and clicking Send Invite. Apps can be created inside Workspaces. To create an app, click the Add App button. This will bring up a list of template apps that can be used to jumpstart your app development. We are adding to this list of templated apps all the time. For now, choose the Authentication App Template by clicking Select on the Authentication App Template, give the app a name, and click Save. It takes a few minutes to install the template, but once this is finished, the app will automatically load up inside of the Dittofi Design Studio, like so. Pause the video now so that you can try installing the Authentication App Template into your own workspace.